The subject of crisis of identity is something that we hear about a lot these days. But crisis of identity is the hero's journey. It's something that we go through in life. We have many stages of growth and development, and all of those stages of life are going to generate a crisis of identity. Now, we're not the same person when we're 2 years old as when we're 26, and then we're 40, and then we're 65. All of those stages of life, they generate a crisis. They all have, different kinds of obstacles and challenges. But the search for identity or crisis of identity is natural, it's universal, and it's actually part of the entire process and experience of being alive. We need to take some perspective to have a sense of what is universal about our experiences and stop treating them like they're not natural, like there's something weird about us and we've been dealt a really bad deck of cards. That's not true. To struggle, to have crisis of identity is natural, and we can learn the tools to deal with them so that we can grow and develop and feel more our own identity. That's the hero's journey. The hero's journey is the one that really discovers what you love, because that love for something, which is through activity, it makes us very active. It's very important because it gives us a fire, a passion, and that person that we become lights up the whole world. We become somebody in the world that has something to contribute. Okay. And that's the hero's journey. This is something completely universal and natural. And we can learn to understand what it's about and to have more perspective and more joy about our own experiences. Even when we go through very difficult times, we can have a greater understanding of what is going on.